Canton Fair will punish who doesn't listen. Save this video before Canton Fair. It could save you a lot of money. If you go there unprepared, you will waste money, waste time, and probably talk to the wrong supplier. Number 1. Stop paying visa agent. Just use China Embassy website. It's half price and take 10 days max. And you need an invitation letter? Get it free from the Canton Fair official site. Print 5 copies. Just trust me on this. Number 2. Cash is literally dead here. Set up Alipay or WeChat Pay and do it before you land. Or you can even buy water. Number 3. Never book a hotel near the expo. It's a totally rip-off. Stay on Metro Line 8 or 11, way cheaper, and super fast to get there. Number 4. You are going to walk 20,000 steps a day, and it's so humid. So wear light clothes and your best sneakers. Number 5. You need 4 apps to survive. Alipay, WeChat, Didi, and VPN. Download them at home and not in China. Number 6. Don't swipe cash at the airport. It's a scam. Just use Alipay or WeChat Pay. Payment issue solved. Number 7. Or bring a universal adapter. Or you can buy it from Meituan. They will send it to you in 1 hour. Number 8. The Wi-Fi might drop. So screenshot everything, like your hotel address, the map, your passport, and it literally save you. But the real trap, middlemen pretend to be a factory. They will waste your time and kill your deals. I'm a local factory owner. Let me be your eyes and ears on the ground. No fake, no language barrier, just direct factory code.